The upheaval of blockchain guaranteed financial backers of protection and classification. They accepted this environment was adequately durable to safeguard their exchanges, protecting them. In 2018, the Tron establishment procured the stage. Be that as it may, one can follow a wide range of computerized traffic, even in the digital forms of money like Bitcoin, through a blockchain to learn the wallet address of the transferor and transferee. Prior to beginning with a total BitTorrent cost expectation, really look at the coin outline as follows. Outline of BitTorrent. Route on the historical backdrop of this profoundly solid digital money can be followed back to the presence of a cryptographic convention. Despite the fact that, at the outset, it was utilized as an extra for Bitcoin, later, it created in different stages. As a TRC10 utility token in view of the Tron blockchain, BTT powers elements of the world's most well-known decentralized conventions and applications. DApps controlled by BTT incorporate BitTorrent Speed, BitTorrent Record Framework, DLive, and others ready to go. It involves the BitTorrent convention for sharing and moving, and BitTorrent was the biggest document sharing convention in 2019. The Tron network involves designated evidence of stake convention for security. BitTorrent, the striking highlights, upheld by a vigorous and high transmission capacity public blockchain stage. BitTorrent has tended to the openness issues of setting up a crossover agreement system. BTT depends on cryptographic techniques that depend on zero exposure proof and numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message to the next party associated with the exchange. Subsequently, security impediments are captured first. The credit goes to the improvement of the Zero Convention by BTT, which is the standard of the whole decentralized finance environment, which is one more send-off in the contribution. BTT is a convention for P2P record trade, and its entry to the crypto business appears to have supported power and convenience among numerous stages. A notable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the BTT organization. This noticeable pattern makes it extraordinarily contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. Consequently, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of BTT tokens as impetuses in executing savvy agreements and move reserves. All record sharing and downloading is executed by the product from BitTorrent Inc. The stage was sent off in 2001 by its organizer Bram Cohen. The organizer Bram Cohen fostered the BitTorrent framework, a document-sharing framework to impart records to quicker download speeds and no copyright issues for huge documents to BitTorrent clients. It offers interoperability with different organizations like Tron and Binance Brilliant Chain. DLive Convention is the very first decentralized live stream given by the organization. Designers said the two coins would exist together for quite a while. Trades, financial backers, and advertisers were mentioned to trade the old BTT into another BTT in 30 days or less. A few trades may not help this redenomination cycle. For that reason, BTT-OLD will be accessible on those trades and work like their unique use cases. BitTorrent, the specialized examination. A value journey of BTT has been created with shocks combined with exciting bends in the road. As of now, BitTorrent cost is exchanging around $0 a coursing supply of 932,028.89 and the complete stock of 990,000,000,000,000,000 BTT. The market capitalization of BitTorrent is $994,973,244 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $52,686,637. What's to come appears to be brilliant for BTT according to specialists' specialized examination since it is a result of ongoing decentralized blockchain development. The unequaled exorbitant cost for the BTT is around $0. Starting from the start of this current year, the BTT token has exchanged lower to date with not in the middle between spikes. On January 18th, the cost of the BitTorrent token was exchanging above $0. Notwithstanding, from that point onward, it confronted dismissal and tumbled to the low of $0 recently. Subsequent to hitting $0, the BTT cost denoted a moderate recuperation, yet it couldn't figure out how to support the $0. The ongoing cost changes show that there are blended feelings. The MACD line is exchanging about the sine line, showing forward movement, while the RSI is at 36, showing negative force. Right now, the coin is exchanging the oversold zone and with incredibly low unpredictability, as shown by Bollinger Groups. How about we investigate BTT cost forecasts from the market specialists to know the perfect opportunity to contribute? On the off chance that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great returns, BTT can be a terrible, high-risk one-year speculation choice. BitTorrent cost equivalent $0, yet your ongoing venture might be cheapened from now on. The BitTorrent cost is anticipated to reach $0 the start of December 2025. The normal greatest cost is $0, and the base cost is $0. The BitTorrent cost expectation for the finish of 2025 may be around $0, in light of the conjecture for BTT cost from industry specialists. BitTorrent could record a transient cost rally. The BitTorrent cost might arrive at another untouched high of $0 the finish of 2025. What's more, this is the best chance to put resources into BTT to get huge worth from your portfolio in the long haul. It will require some investment, an extended client base, and positive feelings before BitTorrent costs beat from now on. Its contribution in different daring tasks like BitTorrent Web, BitTorrent Exemplary, and Bittorrent Android could guarantee its typical cost keeps up the energy according to industry specialists' crucial and specialized examination. BitTorrent Value Forecast 2023. Going by BitTorrent Cost Forecast and the investigation of cost patterns, BTT has been wandering from its way typically every 2 or 3 years. So as we advance, almost certainly, the year 2023 may not be entirely ideal for BitTorrent for heightening, particularly with rivals finding the intensity. According to BitTorrent Coin Cost Forecast 2023, the future cost of BitTorrent causing a slight value drop to $0 the principal half. From that point onward, it could recover its force and raised a ruckus around town level of $0. BitTorrent Value Forecast 2024. Yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls might ride the crypto market, it is normal that BitTorrent will at last sparkle in the crypto realm with an exhibition of BitTorrent cost fixed at $0. This is comparable to the equivalent displayed in BitTorrent cost forecasts toward the year's end 2023, which shows BTT can possibly support and reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances. BitTorrent Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the task BitTorrent endures for an extremely long period and mass reception gets number, this sort of hopeful assumption originates from 2 preconditions. 1. BTT keeps on unparalleled assumptions and is supposed to have an extraordinary beginning in 2025. 2. Markets stay good, pushing the typical cost flood fundamentally upwards to $0, a base cost of $0, making it a beneficial speculation resource for exchange according to our BitTorrent cost expectation. BitTorrent Value Forecast 2026 and then some. BTT gauge for 2026 has begun floating towards idealism instead of negativity. The BitTorrent cost expectation for this entire year remains very uplifting, expressing that it could leap to the greatest value level of $0. The base cost of $0 normal following 5 years. With the market being totally flighty, gauging the BTT digital money cost is truly to a greater extent a bet in karma as opposed to an information-driven estimate. BitTorrent BTT value forecast can be precarious. According to BTT Cost Forecast 2030, the normal BitTorrent cost to reach $0 and normal greatest cost to hit $0. There is an anticipated possibility of the likelihood that the BTT cost could hit a low of $0. BTT token determination. Is BTT a wise speculation for what's to come? BitTorrent expectations by specialists foresee that the coin's cost can be $0 December 2022. Our calculation